In this video, I'll be showing you how to lock a chat on WhatsApp and also how to view locked chat or secret chat. So WhatsApp has this feature that allows you to lock a particular chat or create a secret chat, and you can view it anytime. So this is a chat. How to do this? Just select any chat. Let me select this. You tap on the chat. Then you click on these three dots and you click lock chat. So at this point, you click continue. Then you use your face or your fingerprint to activate it. Now you can see that the chat is locked. You will see lock chat option here. So every chat that is locked goes into this lock chat. So when you close your WhatsApp and open it, you're not going to see anything like lock chat. But when you swipe down, you're going to see the lock chat will appear. You tap on it and then you enter your fingerprint or your facial lock and open it. If you want to remove any chat from lock chat, you just tap on the chat, tap on these three icons and click on lock chat. Then you confirm your facial verification or fingerprint. Then lock chat is out. The chat is out of lock chat. So this is how to lock your chat or create a secret chat and as well view your lock chat. If this video is valuable to you, please do well to like and share this video and drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.